Here is another choir hoping to make it through, but do they have what it takes? Let's see. Please give a massive round of applause for St. Elizabeth Technical, more popularly known as Steph's. Steph's, the stage is yours.
Try the vision, make it plain, that they may run and not faint. Though the vision
is only
for a while,
it shall speak and not lie. Ride the vision, make it plain,
that they may run and not faint.
though the vision is
Only for a while,
it shall speak and not lie.
For if the Lord said it, you can count on it. He will do just what He will do just what He
This is an example of some really good preparation, I think. The band was really nice and solid, and you were confident with the band. I found your music deep, clear, correct, and really inspiring.
Steps, I really enjoyed the enthusiasm that you brought to it. You're trying to do dynamics and stuff, and it really showed. Lead singer, you just need a little bit more conviction, right? I think maybe you're a little bit nervous. There are a couple notes here and there that you need to tune up, but good job.